Back pain is not just something that happens to you. You're not victim of back pain. It's the direct consequence of how you maintain your body posture. I know what I'm talking about here because I have had years and years of back pain and pretty severe back pain. So those are close to me. I've seen the kind of episodes of back pain that I have had. Over the years, I loved meditating, but after 15, 20 minutes, I had this spot, this back pain, this spot in the middle of my back where the pain was so intense that I had to stop. And about 10 years ago, at some point, I decided to really look at this. What is it? Why is it that I have this back pain? And I discovered something that I hope can be useful for you. I realized if you take a skeleton and you just hold it from the top of the head and you just let it hang, the skeleton is fine. What is not fine is unequal tension. So that means we need to be able to relax the back. And in order to relax the back, you need to capitalize on one aspect of your skeleton, of your vertebral column, that is absolutely essential to understand. And it's the fact that your skeleton, your vertebral column, is essentially like an inverted pendulum. You have a pendulum that twists like a clock, invert that in the other direction. It's like putting a pen on your finger and you balance the pen. If you are well balanced at the bottom, the rest of the vertebral column will stand straight without tension. And without tension, you don't pull in any direction and your back can really, really rest. And the way that I discovered this is, as I'm looking into this, I'm thinking, we need to find a way where the pelvis can have the right angle so that the sacrum sitting on the pelvis gives the curvature of the vertebral column that is completely natural, as it would be if you just hang the skeleton from a string. So the first thing to do this, we need to stretch the fascia that are in your thigh and your lower back so that it's not pulling your back backward, which forces you, for the center of gravity, basically to then hunch your back. This will be tension. 15 minutes later, you will have pain in your back. So how to stretch it? So the way to stretch it is simple. You just try to take a sitting position, lotus if you can, and you basically, with your back straight, you go down and you try to go as low as possible. It's going to pull in the back of your leg, but once you've done that, you'll see this is fascia. It's very different from tendon and ligaments. The moment your fascia is stretched, the pain goes away. So you're just holding on a little bit, long enough, it stretches, and when you come back now, you no longer have that tension. And now you just find the area, you keep your back straight, and you do a tilting of your pelvis, and you'll find a place when you stop, and that's it. Now you're in balance in your pelvis. Now my back is completely relaxed. If I keep that position, I won't have pain. I can sit like this for 2 hours. There'll be no pain in my back. My legs will lose circulation before I have pain in my back. Now this is going to show you the importance of that positioning of your vertebral column on your pelvis. Now that you've experienced that, as you stand, as you walk, as you go through your day, you just pay attention and then you develop this new positioning of your pelvis. It's going to change your life in terms of back posture, back hygiene, and back pain.